Hello and welcome to the web design course. This course is designed for technical practitioners, CS and IT majors specifically, which is a little bit different than how a lot of web design courses are taught. Most web design courses are taught from the idea of designing a web page, building it from a design or front end type of perspective. We're going to look a little bit underneath the hood to understand what makes HTML5, why it's beneficial to some of the previous versions of HTML, as well as how we can use this. Because this is designed more for a programmatic type of background or a more technical type of background, we're going to be focusing on tags, how we organize our information, and how we can use this thinking long term. You might ask, well, what do you mean long term? Well, a lot of things have a web interface, even if you don't realize it. Whether it's going and set up your cable modem or router, whether it's configuring your TV screen or other things, a lot of these are actually built on a web front end. And what that means is someone has to program the back end and program the front end. Now, the front end for those types of devices, as well as regular web pages, might be designed by someone who's doing the back end as well. It's often referred to as a full stack developer, someone who does both the front end and back end. Or the back-end developer, which might be you, is needing to know how to put elements into the front end. And you're not going to be able to use a tool that you might find, such as Adobe Dreamweaver or something like the Wix or some other visual graphic web editor. And so therefore, having a good solid understanding of how web pages are created and how we use them. And if you're a CS or IT major, you might want to understand the technical background amongst how do we use server software, how do our browsers work, what are differences. That way you have a better understanding and can solve more problems that might arise, whether it's you're troubleshooting for your end users or you're developing this content. Many a times in my own career, I've had to develop web pages that they fit into another application as I was writing a report or something else like that. And therefore, having that background became immensely useful. It may not be as fun and as fast as some of your graphics friends who are using drag and drop tools to build a web page, but this is much better. This course is being offered in multiple formats. The assignments are going to be the same, and they will help you, I think, in designing and building your web pages in the future as well as for the course. We'll have various different types of assignments, whether it is building a simple web page and we're just looking at certain simple concepts, or reviewing other web pages. That's right. Reviewing other web pages is a good way to learn how to build web pages because it lets you pull information that you like from some places and information that you say, hey, I think we could do this better. So be looking for those to see how does that work. If you have any questions, please reach out to me either through my email address, which can be found in the syllabus, or online through the Canvas forums. Good luck, and I'll see you in class.